If you're seeing Epic Games error code ISMFF01, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step fix that can help get the Epic Games launcher working again. This error usually shows up when the launcher has trouble updating or installing a game, but the good news is that you can often resolve it by checking your Windows startup services and then changing one important compatibility setting. So if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick fix guides just like this. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, on your keyboard, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time. This opens the Run box. In the box, type msconfig, then press Enter. This opens the System Configuration window, which lets you manage services and startup behavior on your computer. Once the window opens, click the Services tab at the top. Here you'll see a list of services running on your system. Now, this next part is very important. Check the box that says Hide all Microsoft services. This is a crucial step because it helps you avoid disabling any important Windows services that could cause system instability. After that, click the Disable All button. This turns off the remaining third-party services that might be interfering with Epic Games Launcher. Next, go to the Startup tab at the top and then click Open Task Manager. In Task Manager, you'll see a list of startup applications that launch when your computer boots. Right-click each startup application, one by one, and select Disable. The goal here is to temporarily reduce background programs that could be conflicting with the Epic Games Launcher, especially anything that affects networking, overlays, or system performance. Once you've disabled every startup app listed, close Task Manager and go back to the System Configuration window. At this point, restart your computer. This reboot is important because it applies all the changes you just made and gives Windows a fresh start with fewer background conflicts. After your computer restarts, try updating or installing the game again through Epic Games Launcher and check whether the ISMF01 error is gone. If the problem still appears, don't worry, because there's another setting you should change that often helps. On your desktop, find the Epic Games Launcher icon and right-click it. From the menu, select Properties. In the Properties window, click the Compatibility tab. Now check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. This gives the launcher the permissions it may need to update, install, and write files properly without getting blocked by Windows. After selecting that option, click Apply, then click OK to save the changes. Once that's done, open Epic Games Launcher again and try your update or installation one more time. In many cases, these two fixes together are enough to resolve the error and get everything running normally again. If the video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Epic Games troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.